Good morning children, back to the class. So, dear children, I hope I have told you to read the lesson for third students, lesson number 10. What was our lesson for in English? Second I am talking. So, the Gandhiji, the father of our nation. We were discussing, good conversation we were having in the last class. And what was that? Both who all were there in this conversation? Mrs. Roy, the next one Pooja and Kavita. Till now we have seen the three characters. So, Sudhir Roy has not come till now in that conversation. Three characters we have seen, that is Mrs. Roy and Kavita, the elder daughter, and Pooja, the elder daughter. So they were talking with her mother and asking. And at last we have stopped where when the Kavita has asked one big question. That is what? Why the Gandhiji is half naked? Why he did not wear the full cloth? So then for that, what the Mrs. Roy has given the answer, we will see in this class. Come to the page number 52. Open your textbook. So when the Kavita asked that why he did not wear the good clothes, immediately Mrs. Roy said, Gandhiji wore good clothes when he was young. So she said, when he was young, he wore the very good clothes. But when he grew up, he stopped wearing good and costly clothes. So the mother said, before that he was wearing very young. When he was young, he was wearing very good clothes. Then after that only he has stopped the using the what clothes? Good and costly clothes. Costly means what is the word meaning? Costly, expensive. C-O-S-T-L-Y. Costly means expensive. So this expensive word means when these things are very expensive nowadays. Means cost is more. So he stopped that using the costly things. Then Pooja asked, why mummy? So immediately the Pooja had a doubt there. Why mummy? Then Mrs. Roy said, because when Gandhiji grew up, he came to know that the people of our country were very poor. So, what she said, because before he was wearing, after that then only he came to know that in our country where so many poor people are there. They had no money to buy good and costly dresses. So, Gandhiji stopped wearing the costly clothes. So because of that, when he came to know that there are many people suffering without money, without food, without clothes, then he has given up that wearing the costly clothes and all. Then Pooja. That means Gandhiji loved the poor. So Pooja has immediately had a one question. So that one answer she has given them. That means Gandhiji loved the poor. So she asked Kavita. Yes, our teacher told us the same. So immediately Kavita said, yes, this thing our teacher also has told us. All who love Gandhiji must love the poor. So then she said there, Kavita has said, all who love Gandhiji must love the poor. Then by that time one sound they have ding dong, the doorbell rings. So by the time the doorbell is ringing. So, Mrs. Roy, Pooja, go and see who has come. Then the mother has told the small daughter, Pooja, go and see who has come. Pooja, when she opened it's Papa. Then immediately the Pooja has shouted it's Papa. Papa means you know na, in Hindi only. So your dad came. Kavita, hi Papa, you are not going to office tomorrow, are you? So immediately as she entered, Kavita has told, hi Papa, so tomorrow you are not going to the office, are you? So she had asked a question, so you are also maybe getting the holiday. Then Mr. Roy, tomorrow is a holiday, but we are going out to do some social work. So he has said what the work he said, what he told, yes, tomorrow we have a holiday, but we all are going, all our colleagues are going out for the social work. Then immediately Kavita, What are you going to do tomorrow, Papa? So she asked. What are you going to do tomorrow, Papa? She asked. Mr. Roy said, tomorrow we are going to distribute clothes among the poor children. They have no clothes to wear. So he has said we are going to the places where the poor children are there. There we will be going and distributing the good clothes to them. Then Pooja, now I know you are doing that because it is a Gandhi Jayanti tomorrow. So smart girl. So immediately she understood that because tomorrow you are going and distributing all this because tomorrow is a Gandhi Jayanti. Because of that you are going. So she asked. Mr. Roy said, that's right. How do you know all this? Then immediately he had asked the Pooja because Papa was not knowing that. Till now they were having the big conversation about this Gandhi Jayanti. So he asked, that's right. Then how do you know these all things? He asked. Because she is a small one. Then Pooja said, Mummy and Kavita told me everything about Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you, Mummy. Thank you, Kavita. So she has said to her father, Mummy and Kavita sister has told me everything about all this about the Mahatma Gandhi. Then Kavita said, you are welcome, Pooja. So with that the conversation was over. So this was the conversation they had about the Gandhi Jayanti. So then they discussed how the Gandhiji was working. Very few things they have discussed and what we can do. So you people also not sitting since you got the holiday, don't sit. You do some charity. How Gandhiji was working for the people. So we also have to contribute our own help to the people, those who are in need. For the poor people, when you see, you also try to help them, giving some clothes or some food like that. You can give them and give a support for them so that they will be very happy. So this is the lesson we have discussed and we have completed, and exercises are there. So that all I will be giving you as a PDF. So here question and answers, fill in the blanks you see, and come to the page number 54. They have made a new words. So using that you have to make a new words that they have given there. That two words joining the, sometimes we join two words to make a single word. So how? Suppose class. Class plus, what is this one? Class plus room. So what do you call classroom? Classroom. So we call the classroom. So like that only. Class means with two words, different words we are joining and making as a one single word. So like that they have given you the matching, you can see and make. The next one, simple past tense. Simple past tense, you know. Tenses you have learned in a third class also. What are the tenses you have seen? Present tense, past tense and past participle, future tense. So here they are asking you only use the simple past tense. What you have to do? Simple past means the word whatever they have given. Suppose give word they have given. So what is the past tense? Give, gave. Give. Give present. He gave me past tense when we want to say he gave me pen. He gave me, he has already given. So like that they have given in the brackets simple present tense they have given, that word you have to change into the simple past tense. The same thing, simple past tense negative. So negative means what we will be using? For the negative past negative means not. Not. For the negative we will be using the word not. So you have to make here with the word not, you have to make the positive sentence, you have to change into the negative. Suppose he brought the book. He did not bring the book. He brought the book and he did not. So that not we are using to confirm that negative way. So that you have to use. Next one is they have given interrogative sentence. Past tense in interrogative. So interrogative means what you have to think. Questioning. Asking the interrogative. Questioning the person there. That you have to use. So here did in the beginning to make a simple past tense sentences interrogative. First form of the word. So that you have to do. He brought the book. Did he bring the book? So the word did when we use the word did, then it changes into the interrogative sentences. So same thing, conjunctions, two joining words. We have to join the two words. Then to make a sentence, we use the but word. Use the word but. B-U-T, but to join the two sentences as a one sentence. So that again you have to do with that. So dear children, this is the lesson about the uses of but and they have given that you can see, and I will give you as a PDF also. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. You also read so that it will be clear to you. Thank you all.